Yo guys, Carla Dude here. My little BG, my Sthil BG 86. This girl's an old, she's like 5, 6 years old. I replaced the starter rope once in all that time. And I've already taken the 3 screws out. Here, you can see those 3 screws. There's one there, one there, one there. Or one there. Anyway, this just slides off. Sure, Steve. It slides off. I'll put that there for now. Okay. Now, it's real easy to change the starter rope. I'll show you that in a minute, but I want to show you something else on the side of these motors. Or blowers, trimmers, mowers, doesn't matter what it is. You see, you got these ridges, these fins here on these motors. They're made to keep the motor cool. So you get buildup like, if I can get my camera front right. See the buildup there? And there's some buildup over on this side down there. Well, my compressor's pumping up. I will blow all that what I can off of there and scrape a little bit with my little screwdriver. But you always should keep these coils on these motors, especially these little ones, cleaner. So otherwise they'll shorten the motor, you know, your motor life on even your mowers especially. Don't care if it's a big one or a little one, but they got fins on there for a reason, to keep the motor cool. So if you keep those clear when you do your fall, and either do your fall shutdown or your spring startup, you pull all the plastic covers off of your equipment and clean those fins off. Oh my God. Go ahead and blow this off. My compressor's pumped up, and I'll show you how to change the starter rope. Okay guys, I'm back again. I got it cleaned out the best I could. I hope I'm filming, yeah. Anyway, I got cleaned out the best I could. There's some chunks on it I can't get off. I had a screwdriver. That's just built up goo from the carburetor. But I got off what I could. You know, some of it ain't gonna come off because it just doesn't want to come off. Anyway, now back on, got that part done. I'm going to show you, turn my camera around so it's facing our way. My GoPro died this morning, so battery's dead out, so I'm doing this on my phone. Anyway, there's the cable, the rope. It's inside here. Wraps around this little spool here. Now what I'm going to do, so I know how to do this, is you unwind the string in there, like this. I don't know if you guys can see me doing this in here. Once you get the first one off, it comes off fairly easy. And there's the frayed rope. That right there, I got replaced. Now the thing I'm going to do is just, instead of replacing the whole rope, because it really ain't bad, I'm just going to cut this off here and melt the end together, you know, melt the end down again, feed it down through that hole and wrap up my cable, because I'm only going to lose, you know, this much of the rope. So it's not like it broke up at the end or in the middle here like it normally does. Okay, so I'm going to put you on hold so I get my lighter and my knife. Okay, I'm back guys. Got my lighter. I got my knife. First I'm going to cut this puppy off as close as we can down here to the fragrance is. I probably should have got a pair of scissors, probably easier, which I think it would be. Because it's in tight quarters here, which I might go do. Hold on, I'll get my scissors, probably be quicker. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. Got my scissors. A lot quicker. Now you reach down in here. Now you reach down inside here. And where the end of the rope is right there. And there's the frayed part, right there. I was afraid it was going to break if I kept yanking on it, so that's why I put it away and got my other blower out. That's what I'm going to replace. Now I got to take this end here and feed it through the hole there. You can see right there where the gap is, and feed it up through that hole. That's the hard part. First I'm going to melt the end on this so it doesn't get all frayed. You gotta watch, don't burn yourself with a nylon rope, it burns. Okay, I'm going to pull my rope out this way. I'm going to line the hole up there. If you line the hole up where it goes in here at, with the part right there, you'll be okay. It's easier to hit that way. So you just got to do this, and you got to kind of maneuver it around. It's kind of hard to maneuver around here. Yeah, not cooperating with me. Okay. I'll get it lined up a little better. Poke it back through here like this. Okay, I got it in there. I hope I got enough to grab onto. Okay, hold on. I gotta see if I can grab it, guys. Of course, I think I got the biggest pair of needle nose I have in my drawer. I'm using a pair of... There we go. Pull it through. Now I'm going to do a double knot on here. Then I'm going to take my lighter and heat up the nylon so it melts a little bit in there. So there's one knot. Grab your pliers, snug it down as best you can, as high as you can get it. I always do double knots because sometimes one knot comes out. I've had it happen on starter ropes. On mowers mainly, not so much on the blowers, but the mowers most definitely. Okay, pull that through like that. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. Kind of hard to visualize it. And we'll pull that puppy down like that. I just don't want to heat up too much. You don't want enough to melt the nylon. Seal the knot together. You can see the knots. You see the glue? See the nylon melting there? And don't touch it because you'll burn yourself. We'll cool it off a little bit. Then you do that. Pull the rope back through. Then you grab your needle nose again. And pull the rope back through this way. Pull the rope all the way back up. And now you got to take it and wrap it back around here. Now, I know there's probably other guys out there who, I don't know what that is. That just went. Okay, I thought the rope was frayed again. You wrap it around like this. You don't have to tighten up this sprocket or anything. You wrap it around like that. Like it when you took it off. That way you don't have to worry about holding the spindle down. We have the rope recoiled or anything like that. I did have some new rope on here, but this isn't exactly the kind of rope. I need thinner rope than that. I mean, I could use that in a pinch if it had broken or I didn't want it to break. I don't know, you guys really can't see what I'm doing down here because I'm trying to get my fingers in there to go around the small area of fat fingers. My fingers aren't as fat as some guys. I'm just not as nimble as some guys either. So I'm going to get one more loop around there. I'm going to get one more loop. Okay. I might have just barely enough to get one more loop. Come on. It's not cooperating with me. Come on, get in there, you. There's a little piece of junk. I gotta pick it up so I can work it around the spool here. There we go. Now you see it's all wrapped back around the spindle. Now let's see the smoke tester here. Yeah. Looks pretty good. So it didn't quite wind up all the way. I wonder if it's... That'll be okay. I'm gonna get some tape and wrap that up. Because the housing's broken on, I'm gonna get some electrical tape and wrap around that. And the first time I put it back together, the only hard part about putting this back on is the spark plug cover has to go in this groove here. Not real hard, just gotta line it up is all. That's it. And put 3 screws back in. There's 1 screw there, 1 screw there, and 1 screw here. I hope you guys can see what I was doing in there, so I don't have an overhead boom or anything to hang the camera upside down with so you can see, but I tried to do the best I can. I'm going to do this one-handed so you guys can see what I'm doing with the camera. So I'm screwing the screws in, not real, technical. gobbledygook, but hey, what do you want? From a homegrown guy who was too cheap to go to the repair shop for a rope replacement. They would charge me 30 bucks for this, the repair shop, if you can believe that. 30 bucks to replace the starter rope. They charge you half an hour's labor. Some places would charge you full hour's labor. Now, one of the guys at the repair shop could have probably done this in 15 minutes. So, anyway, there it is. Let's do a smoke test and see if she starts up. Take you guys out here. Have a little more room on this side of the table. Got a primer up. Give her a little choke. Little choke. Let's see how. Now the rope is a little shorter than it was. You know, I don't think cutting off this much of the rope. But you also got to include the knot on the end here. I had to take off out of there, and plus the rope itself. So I mean, it's a little shorter, but nothing major. I'm gonna kill myself in my patio here, which needs to be cleaned up. Got snow shovels, I got lawn vac, I got my shop vac. My son-in-law has his tires. I got the waste from my truck for the snow plow. He has his car seat over there. My patio's turning into a freaking junkyard. Well, some of it's my stuff too, but hey, what do I know? Anyway, y'all take a like and subscribe to my channel. That is a rope replacement for a BG 86, I believe. Show you one more time. Yeah, Sthil BG 86. She's good for another year. Blowing sidewalks and driveways and stuff like that. My patio, which is a mess right now. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Steve here, Green. Colorado dude, not Greenway anymore. Still make that mistake. I've been calling myself Greenway for so long. Anyway, Colorado dude. And remember, always stay nice out there. Talk to you later. Bye.